Have you ever considered that a powerful natural remedy might be growing right in your own yard? While most people turn to drugstores and medical appointments for health solutions, there's a simple home remedy that often gets ignored: papaya leaf tea. Scientists have been studying its ability to help with various common health issues, and the results are fascinating. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? That's exactly why we're diving into the proven health benefits of papaya leaf tea today. Plus, we'll show you the most effective way to brew this tea so you can get the maximum benefits from it. Are papaya leaves really effective for preventing and treating diseases, or is that just another internet myth? Is papaya leaf consumption safe for everyone, or are there groups that should be cautious about consuming it? Curious? Then don't delay and watch the video now. But first, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's make this the most liked video on the channel ever. Have you already consumed papaya leaf tea in your daily life? What part of the world are you from? After you've watched the video, drop a comment below so we can get to know each other better. Let's check out the 6 diseases that can be treated with it, based on evidence. 1. Supports hair health. People often apply papaya leaf masks and juices directly to their scalp, hoping to boost hair growth and improve scalp health. However, we have very little scientific evidence showing these treatments actually work. Some studies indicate that high oxidative stress in the body might contribute to hair loss. When you eat foods rich in antioxidants, you may reduce this oxidative stress and potentially improve hair growth. Papaya leaves contain several antioxidant compounds, including flavonoids and vitamin E. Supporters of papaya leaf hair treatments point to these antioxidants as the reason the leaves might help with hair growth. Unfortunately, we don't have solid evidence that applying papaya leaves to your scalp actually benefits hair growth. Some types of dandruff develop when a fungus called malassezia grows too much on your scalp, which can interfere with hair growth. Laboratory studies have shown that papaya leaf has antifungal properties, leading some people to believe it could help hair and scalp health by fighting off the fungus that causes dandruff. 2. Helps prevent acne. Many people take papaya leaf internally or apply it directly to their skin, hoping to keep their skin soft, clear, and youthful looking. Papaya leaf contains a protein-breaking enzyme called papain that you can use as a topical exfoliant. This enzyme helps remove dead skin cells from your skin surface and may reduce clogged pores, ingrown hairs, and acne breakouts. Additionally, the enzymes in papaya leaf have been used to help wounds heal faster. One study found that these enzymes reduce the appearance of scar tissue in rabbits. The enzymes found in papaya leaf work as natural exfoliants that remove dead skin cells, help prevent acne, and might reduce the appearance of scars. 3. Supports digestive issues. Papaya leaves contain natural enzymes, including papain, that may support digestive health by helping to break down proteins and potentially reducing digestive discomfort. Some people use papaya leaf preparations as part of their wellness routine, believing they support the body's natural detoxification processes. Papaya leaf tea is traditionally consumed in various cultures, often combined with lemon juice for taste. The leaves contain compounds that some research suggests may have beneficial properties, though more clinical studies are needed to fully understand their effects. Also, papaya leaf aids in healing and helps prevent stomach ulcers. Papaya leaves are rich in protease and amylase, enzymes that break down proteins, minerals, and carbohydrates to support efficient digestion. They also have strong anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe the stomach and colon. Additionally, the extract from papaya leaves can promote the healing of peptic ulcers by eliminating harmful bacteria thanks to its natural antimicrobial effects. If you're interested in trying papaya leaf tea, it's best to consult with a healthcare provider first, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications. They can advise whether it's appropriate for your individual situation and help you make informed decisions about incorporating it into your routine. While papaya leaves are generally considered safe when consumed in moderation, it's important to source them properly and prepare them correctly if making juice at home. If you're dealing with either of these conditions, we'll guide you on how to prepare this helpful tea at the end of the video. 4. Antimicrobial properties. Papaya leaves contain compounds that may offer benefits for oral health. Some research suggests these leaves have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that could potentially help maintain healthy gums and freshen breath. Traditional practices include chewing small pieces of papaya leaves or using them to make a mouth rinse. To prepare a rinse, you can simmer crushed papaya leaves in water, then strain and cool the liquid before use. Research has provided some scientific support for these traditional uses. A 2018 randomized controlled trial found that a toothpaste and mouthwash containing Carica papaya leaf extract was effective in reducing gingival bleeding and inflammation when compared to a standard enzyme-containing dentifrice. Additionally, a 2021 double-blind study demonstrated that papaya leaf extract mouthwash showed potential efficacy in reducing Streptococcus mutans, a key bacteria involved in tooth decay. 5. Supports a healthy liver. Your liver works tirelessly to detoxify your body, process nutrients, and maintain overall health. Research suggests that papaya leaf extract may offer valuable support for liver function through its rich concentration of antioxidants and hepatoprotective compounds. A 2021 study found that papaya juice significantly reduced liver inflammation, decreased pro-inflammatory cytokines, improved antioxidant enzymes, and reduced liver fat accumulation through inhibition of lipogenic pathways. These liver-supportive properties may be particularly beneficial for preventing the progression of liver-related conditions and maintaining optimal liver function. However, it's crucial to understand that while papaya leaf extract shows promise as a supportive supplement, it should never replace conventional medical treatment for serious liver conditions like cirrhosis, hepatitis, or jaundice. Important note: if you have any existing liver condition or symptoms like yellowing of the skin or eyes, persistent fatigue, or abdominal pain, consult with a healthcare professional before using papaya leaf extract. Your doctor can provide proper diagnosis and treatment recommendations tailored to your specific situation. 6. Antiviral properties and platelet-enhancing effects. Dengue fever represents a significant global health challenge caused by the dengue virus from the Flaviviridae family and transmitted through infected Aedes aegypti mosquitoes. Over the past 3 decades, dengue incidence has surged dramatically, increasing nearly 30-fold, particularly in developing nations, with 50 to 100 million new infections reported annually. This alarming trend continues as new outbreaks emerge each year across affected regions. One of the most serious complications of dengue infection is thrombocytopenia, a dangerous drop in platelet count that can lead to severe bleeding complications. This condition occurs through multiple mechanisms: impaired platelet production in bone marrow, reduced platelet survival rates, and sequestration of existing platelets, all of which contribute to the quantitative and qualitative platelet dysfunction that causes characteristic mucocutaneous bleeding in patients. The severity of thrombocytopenia directly correlates with the intensity of the viral infection, with platelet counts often falling to critically low levels. Currently, treatment options remain frustratingly limited, as dengue fever is typically a self-limiting illness requiring primarily supportive care. Conventional medications such as aspirin, antibiotics, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, and corticosteroids are not only ineffective against viral infections, but may actually worsen the condition by increasing bleeding risk through gastritis or internal hemorrhaging. Perhaps most concerning is the absence of effective antiviral agents specifically designed to combat dengue and its associated complications. This therapeutic gap has prompted researchers to explore natural alternatives, with promising results emerging from studies on papaya leaf extract. Clinical studies have specifically reported benefits of papaya leaf extract in treating dengue fever and improving platelet counts in affected patients. These findings offer hope for a natural, accessible treatment option that could complement supportive care while addressing one of dengue's most dangerous complications. What are the potential side effects and risks of papaya leaf tea? Most people can drink papaya leaf tea without any problems, but it's smart to know what might happen. The effects you experience can depend on how much you take, what form you use, and your own health situation. Stomach issues. Some folks might feel nauseous, bloated, or even throw up after drinking papaya leaf juice. This usually happens because of the bitter taste or how the enzymes work in your system. Allergic reactions. While uncommon, some people might have allergic reactions, especially if they're already sensitive to papain, the enzyme in papaya, or latex. You might notice rashes, itching, or trouble breathing if this happens to you. Blood thinner interactions. Since papaya leaf juice can affect how your platelets work, mixing it with blood-thinning medications could make you more likely to bleed. Always check with your doctor if you're on these medications. Pregnancy warnings. Unripe papaya and strong papaya leaf extracts might trigger uterine contractions. While ripe papaya fruit is usually fine during pregnancy, it's better to skip the leaves, unless your healthcare provider says it's okay. Too much enzyme activity. If you drink large amounts, The papain and chymopapain enzymes might throw off your digestive balance and irritate your stomach. Liver changes. Even though people traditionally use papaya leaves for liver health, some sensitive individuals have shown changes in liver enzymes. Researchers are still studying this effect. Most side effects from papaya leaf juice are mild and don't last long, but being careful helps ensure you use it safely, especially if you're trying it for dengue recovery or other health purposes. Before we continue, I've got some exciting news to share. If you want to get more engaged, I'm excited to inform you that we now offer channel membership. As a member, you'll pay a small monthly fee and unlock some amazing perks like early access to new videos, priority replies to your comments, members-only shorts, polls, quizzes, and special emojis and loyalty badges just for you. It's a fantastic way to support the channel and connect with us even more. Just click the join button and let's make this experience even better together. How to use papaya leaves. You can add papaya leaves to your health routine in several safe ways. Making fresh juice, wash and crush 2-3 fresh papaya leaves to get the juice out. Take about 25-30 milliliters twice daily, ideally when your stomach is empty. Fair warning, it tastes pretty bitter, so mixing it with a little fruit juice or coconut water makes it much more bearable. Brewing tea, boil clean papaya leaves in water for 10-15 minutes. Then let it cool and strain out the leaves. Drink 1 cup once or twice a day. This method is easier on your stomach, though it might not have as many active enzymes. Using powder or capsules, you can buy dried papaya leaf powder or capsules. Just follow what's written on the package or ask a healthcare professional about the right amount for you. Applying to skin. People have traditionally used crushed papaya leaves on inflamed skin or insect bites. You can carefully apply the crushed leaves directly to problem areas. What not to do. Don't drink huge amounts of papaya leaf juice at once and avoid mixing it with other strong herbs unless someone knowledgeable tells you it's safe. Storage tips. Fresh juice should be drunk right away, while dried forms need to be kept in sealed containers away from moisture. How to make papaya leaf tea. What you need. 5 fresh papaya leaves. 3 cups water. Pot and strainer. Steps. Wash the leaves thoroughly and tear into smaller pieces. Bring water to a boil. Add the torn leaves, then reduce to a simmer. Let it simmer for 10-15 minutes until the water turns greenish. Remove from heat, cool slightly, and strain out all leaf pieces. The tea is quite bitter, so add honey, lemon, or ginger to taste. Start with half a cup once daily. Best consumed fresh, but can be refrigerated for up to 24 hours. Now, we want to hear from you. Were you aware of some of these benefits of papaya leaf tea? Share your experiences, questions, and tips in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please type yes in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next videos. Share with your friends and family so everyone can be aware of the incredible benefits of papaya leaf tea. Also, comment below which topic you'd like to see in our next video. And before you go, check out these 2 videos we selected especially for you. I think you'll love them. Have an awesome day and keep healthy, my friends. Bye.